Hello, everybody. This is Sashamoniquetalks. Hello, my friends. So I'm here with the haul today. Okay, it's so cold, y'all. I think I'm going to release this video right away because I don't want to be in the spring talking about it's so cold, y'all. I'll be saving up them videos sometime. Y'all, I really do. So let me get down to business. Oh, this is not from Dollar Tree. This is from Value Zone in another dollar store, a local dollar store. Okay. So I got the Panasonic AAA batteries. You know I get this a lot. Yes, y'all. They're kind of cheaply made. But for remotes and stuff like that, little clocks, they work pretty good. I don't have no problem with it. I've been clowned a lot by people about these batteries, like the fire department at one time. Let me not even get into that. But yeah, they clown me over my batteries for my smoke alarm. But these are triple A's. And the brand is, okay, Panasonic. I got my, what do I have here? This is my first time trying this, and it's the Dove Nourishing Body Care. It's $3.99. Those batteries, I think it was one. I don't see no price on it. The batteries was one something. So yes, this is $3.99. It's my first time trying it. It's the Dove It's the Dove Nourishing Body Care Pampering with shea butter and vanilla for dry skin. My skin is dry, y'all. Smells good. I'm gonna take a little bit out. It feels pretty good. I like this so far. Ooh, that smells nice. So now I don't have to be ashy, y'all. I don't have to be ashy. I got some utility duct tape. So this was $1.29. This is from the dollar store that's next to Value Zone. And my daughter used to always call this robber tape. She said every time somebody get tied up and robbed, they had this on their mouth. I think she's right, y'all. She is. It's not that much up here. The roll used to be a lot thicker than this. They cheating us a bit on this. Because it's not much up there. Okay, I got Captiva paper towel, 2-ply paper towel. It says it's strong and absorbent. And this was $1.19. I got these household gloves. But let me tell you a little bit about this. It's the multi-purpose cleaning gloves. And I'm allergic to rubber gloves, y'all. And I brought another pair for my dishes about 2 months ago. And I'm able to use it. I'm surprised. So it's a cheap brand, and it was $1.99. And the other gloves I get, they're usually like $7. I was scared to try it, but I'm glad I did. In that store, they got a whole lot of them. And I got a pair for my bath, to clean my bathroom, and the other pair is for my kitchen. I have Zest Simply Ocean Wave Body Wash. This was 99 cents. They kind of had it hiding a little bit. It smells so good. That's why they was hiding it. It smells real good. And it's very affordable at 99 cents. So if you see this somewhere, I'm sure Dollar Tree got it. You pick it up. And this is 12 ounces. I have the Hardy bags, the heavy duty tall kitchen bags with 15 in it. And it was $1.79. That's a good buy because garbage bags done went up a whole lot. A lot of them is like $5, $7, $8. And so when I see these, I just go on and pick them up. I love them. I really love them. I got these tea lights. I tell you about these a lot because they're very affordable. They're $3.99. You get 50 in here. And I have my wax burner. And y'all know that I have a diffuser too. I'm enjoying that where you just pour the water and the oil in there and plug it up and make your house smell good. Okay, I have Johnson's baby oil. Just always smell good. Y'all remember how your babies used to smell and you would put the powder on them and the lotion and the oil and everything? I still remember how my baby smelled. Now we can't use powder. Wow. You know, it'd be so many things going on and 1 minute you can use stuff and then the next you can't. So what else is coming, y'all? What else? What's coming? What else is coming? I also have the St. Ives exfoliating body wash, fresh peach and jasmine, 100% natural exfoliant. So they had this for $3.99 at Value Zone. That smells so good. Well, I didn't need no body wash, but I saw it, and I saw that zest, and I said, let me get that and put that away along with his cousins, because there's a lot more left. Show you this. I got the Lucky Super Soft. Let me put my glasses on. I'm always squinting up here, y'all. I am always squinting. I'm always squinting. So this is the Lucky Super Soft Mouthwash Original. This is $1.49. You know, mouthwash is expensive. And I usually get mine from Walmart because they have the 2 in the package for, I think it's 6 something. And if you get the single, it's like 3 something. It's a real big bottle. That's a good buy. But this is also a good buy. So when I see it, I grab it up. Because I don't know, some people is okay paying $20 or stuff like that for mouthwash. I don't see no sense in it. Not for me. Not for me. Okay, and from Value Zone, this is one of my favorites that I always get. This is the Suavitel Extra Aroma. And you see this from Value Zone for $2.99. And y'all know how to smell, but this is supposed to be like more aroma. Let me see. You know what it smells like, y'all? It smells like that Downy in the blue that I can't wear. I hope I don't break out from this. I usually get the blue one, but it smells just like Downy to me. Here are some of my favorites. I get the Tide from another country. And this is from Value Zone for $1.99. And you know, it don't smell. It doesn't smell like the regular Tide, but it still smells good and it cleans really well. Why spend? Oh, I'm slobbing. Why spend $10 and stuff if you don't have to? Here's the other one, and this is $1.29, and I got this from the dollar store right next to Value Zone. If you see it, don't be scared to try it, because it works well. And here's something I mentioned before, and I'm hooked on it, y'all. When I see it, I don't care how many I have, I'm gonna get more. This is the Tide Big Bar. Okay. So this is good for taking stains out of your clothes. And if you have stains around the collar, I don't get those, but I do get, sometimes I look down and I have a little makeup on my shirts. And this is very good for that. But you know what I've been doing lately is I put this whole bar in a container with water. I shake it up. And when I wash clothes, especially if I'm using a cheap detergent, I will pour some of this in there and that cheap detergent, and it works so good. It's only $1.29 and it's well worth it. It should, they really should charge more, but I'm glad they don't. So if you see this in your store, please get it. It is great. It's excellent. So I'm getting down a little bit, y'all. I got this 3-pack of socks. My socks was looking bad, y'all, because I'm a person, I sleep in my socks. I like to walk around in socks. I know I'm supposed to have one of those slippers and stuff, but I'd be scared that I'm going to fall, like in my kitchen and stuff. Once in a while, I put it on in the bedroom, but I don't want to fall. So this is, how many pair? Let's see. It's 3-pack. It's 3 pair for $1.99. I should have picked up a lot more of these. It's a nice and thick. It's a good quality. And these are the ones, I guess, considered for the men. I don't care what it is. As long as my feet are dry, feels good, and comfortable. That's what I'm after. I got these socks here. It says tippy toe, 1 pair knee high. These socks, and they're $1.49. These for the women. These are nice. I need to get a lot more of these because when I wear my slacks, I want to have, you know, some nice socks on. Okay, so now I'm down to the wire with the women's undies. So I got the Fruit of the Loom. I don't want to say these are rejects, but it's a slightly imperfect. And I buy these a lot. Sometimes they're a little bit smaller than they're supposed to be. But for $2.99, you just cannot beat it. Let me open it up and see, show y'all what it's looking like. Now, this is the pack that has all the same color. This bluish color. Okay, I see why they're imperfect, because they're too big for me. And they are an ugly color. Yeah, I thought this was going to be real small. I should have got the size 8. These are 10s. But yeah, it's an ugly color, but it will keep your butt covered, right? Your butt will be covered. They ugly, though. The color's a little bit off. I think they're supposed to be gray, but it's like a bluish gray. They ugly, but I'm keeping them. And let me show you the other underwear that I got. Okay, so those were $2.99. These are $1.29 each. On the tag it's saying $4.99. That's what it's looking like. It's regular plain. Yeah. You know, I don't like bikinis. I don't like bikinis. There's nothing wrong with it. I just don't like them. I should have got more of these than those ugly Fruit of the Loom panties. These were loose on the counter, and I got a lot of the same colors. There's nothing wrong with that. I got one black, and I got all these pinks. I wish I could have found more of the black ones. And I got one more pink. This is a smaller size. This size is better for me, actually. Yeah. So that's my haul, y'all. So I'm going to try to release this video soon. And I think I'm going to do another video. So you will see me. Oh, hair everywhere. You will see me with the same outfit and stuff. You know. Y'all remember a long time ago, like 2012 to 2014, and people would come on YouTube and they would have the same thing, and people used to talk about them. Oh, she's nasty. She had the same shirt. She had the same. It was doing a lot of videos in one day. It's easier that way because editing to me, when I'm not really into it, is a chore. You know, it's a lot to it. So, not that I do a whole lot of editing because I'm not that good at it, but it's still a chore. If you have a lot of videos that you have to edit, it's a lot. So sometimes me, like the rest of us, come up here and I have the same thing on. So that's what I'm doing, y'all. You're going to see me in another video. All right, and thank you so much for watching. Please comment. Please subscribe. Please share. And I will talk to you guys again soon. Okay?